In this video, I will guide you how you can top up Lyca Mobile online in UK. So first of all, you need to start by opening up any browser that you are using, and you just need to search for Lyca Mobile recharge. And once you search for this, you just need to make sure to go for the UK website, or you can simply type it. Now once you are on this page, you can simply click on it, and then this is going to open up this particular page where you need to simply start by entering your Lyca mobile number, and then make sure to verify this. Once you have verified your Lyca mobile, you need to make sure to have some balance. If you don't have, you can also do this on the checkout page. Other than that, you can simply choose any one of these plans, and then you can simply choose your payment method, and then make sure to click on the confirm and pay. Then you need to enter your debit card or credit card number and details, and then you just need to complete the transaction, and you will be successfully able to recharge your Lyca mobile number online.